Well, if you're in the States thinking about buying a prestige home in France, I think you might have a problem. The problem is the Atlantic. Basically, you're on one side and France is on the other. And the cost of going back and forth from one to the other is pretty astronomical, especially you have to do it several times to find the right place for you. But there is a solution. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Dan Newton. I'm a fully licensed French estate agent, and I've been working in real estate in France since 1986, believe it or not. I've always dealt in old properties. The new properties just don't do it for me. Back in December 2024, I started a new YouTube channel which took a unplanned for turn towards chateaus and manor houses. And following that, I was kind of inundated with requests from lots of different people, mainly from stateside, asking me if I can help them with their search for a property over here. Admittedly, it was all up in the air to start with, from being unexpected, but I'm glad to say we now have a system set up called Newton Prestige Consulting, and so you can actually get hold of us and we can take care of doing the legwork for you. We actually have 3 levels of service. The initial service, which is open to everyone, is what I call the web scan system. But basically, if you see a property advert which takes your fancy, we can actually have a deeper delve as such and try and find out more about the actual property. I'll actually study the photographs, study the information, and do a thorough web search to find out as much information as I can about the property and give my opinion on whether it's the right price or not, and different legal matters you need to be looking out for on the actual property. The second level is on-site appraisal. When you've actually selected a property that suits your needs, or you think suits your needs, and you wish for someone to go out and actually have an on-site look, I can do this for you. I do a full photo file, video file, if possible drone shots, and a full report coming back to you. I hasten to add, this isn't a full structural survey, although saying that, with coming on for 40 years experience in real estate, I can spot quite a few problems, but that's not my job. I'm there just to do a market appraisal and look for, let's say, legal problems which might be in the file. And the third level is for me to act for you as a buyer's agent, a whole hand-holding service from the very beginning, from the beginning of your search, right through to the actual buying, the place of your dreams. So if my services are of interest to you, just check out the link on the top here, or the QR code which is on the screen, or the link in the description, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.